everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Adira by Aditi Jain. So today I am here with makeup artist Surbhi Bhatnagar. Hi Surbhi, how are
Hi
you?
Aditi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. So Surbhi, आज हम मेरा मेकओवर करने वाले हैं.
बिल्कुल.
So तुम कुछ क्या मेरे व्यूअर्स को क्या सिखाओगी आज so that कि उनको थोड़ा फायदा हो जाए इस वीडियो से.
Yeah. So hi everyone. आज हम अदिति मैम के ऊपर स्मोकी आई लुक करेंगे.
Okay.
थोड़ा सा बिकॉज कंटेम्प्रेरी लुक मैं इनको देना चाहती हूँ आज. So let's see how well it goes.
Let's check out the whole vlog and I hope I will be looking nice in the end. So keep watching. So guys, अब हम मेरा मेकओवर शुरू करने लगे हैं. So are you ready Surbhi?
Yes, I am. Are you
So
excited?
keep watching और ये vlog आप लोग जरूर देखना क्योंकि she is teaching you each and every step of smoky eyes and in a very easy way.
Yes,
So
definitely.
anybody can do that who is not even professional. So done.
With very simple products, no professional products. Now I am covering her dark areas with the orange neutralizer color corrector. Now covering her eyelid with the concealer. I am using a Huda palette for her eyes. Just locking her eyes with the nude eyeshadow.
हम जो पहले न्यूड आई शेडो यूज करते हैं सुरभि, वो बेसिकली मतलब उसका रीजन क्या रहता है कि हमेशा हम न्यूड क्यों यूज करते हैं पहले?
उसका रीज़न ये रहता है बिकॉज हमने कंसीलर जो है वो क्रीमी या लिक्विड ही लगाया होगा, तो उसको लॉक करने के लिए सिमिलरली जैसे हम फाउंडेशन लगाते हैं, फाउंडेशन को लॉक करने के लिए हम ट्रांसलूसेंट पाउडर अप्लाई करते हैं.
हाँ जी.
सो आईज पे भी हमने काइंड ऑफ फाउंडेशन ही लगाया है उसको लॉक करने के लिए, सो दैट आपकी आईज में क्रीजिंग ना हो. इसलिए हम या तो न्यूड आई शेडो लगाते हैं या फिर आप ट्रांसलूसेंट पाउडर भी लगा सकते हो.
ओके guys, this is a very important part.
Now making her crease line with the light brown shade. Now I am using this cocoa color, dark brown color, to intensify her crease line. This is very important to create a crease line and to intensify because your eyes look big and very pretty. Now I'm using this gel liner to create a smoky look. You have to apply all over the lid just below the crease line.
Main part of eye maker or base is about blending. And what I believe, even products don't matter.
Yeah.
Matters to up to some extent, but
see, every product is a good product.
Right.
Unless and until the quality is good.
Exactly.
Now what I am doing is I am just blending the gel liner with my blending brush. See, after doing the application with the gel liner, now I am locking this product with the black eyeshadow so that there is no crease line made here. You just have to dab. Do not just drag it, only dab. Now I am using this champagne highlighter to enhance her brow area, brow bone. Now I am half done with my eye makeup and it's time to cover her dark areas with the skin tone match concealer.
सुबह तो मेरे व्यूअर्स को कोई टिप देना चाहोगी समर्स की, तो लाइक कि हम अपनी स्किन को कैसे हाइड्रेटेड रखें?
यस डेफिनेटली। सी सबसे अच्छी जो टिप है वो है समर्स में आप ड्रिंक लॉट ऑफ वाटर एंड and if you ask me about any particular product then you can use biotic cucumber toner and face wash to keep your skin hydrated, and of course there is a plum toner also which is suitable for every skin tone and every skin, be it a sensitive or normal skin. Now after concealing I am using her skin tone foundation and it's a very lightweight foundation so that in summers she doesn't feel very heavy on her skin.
So which foundation you are using on my skin?
I am using Too Faced foundation.
Okay.
See, with smoky eyes usually we give a very crisp liner so that it is visible. Now I am doing contouring with the Benefit Hoola product. I'm using a banana powder to lock her foundation. It is very essential to lock the foundation so that it stays for longer period, and if ever you sweat the makeup does not bleed. Now I am fixing her base with the makeup fixer so that in summers the makeup does not bleed. Now it's time for blusher. I am mixing these two summerish shades for her skin tone. Very peachy, very soft, because with smoky eyes we usually go very nude on face. Again it's highlighting time, so I'm using this champagne shade for highlighting her high points.
So guys, my makeup is done. As you can see, it is looking super amazing. Thank you so much, Subhi, for doing such a lovely makeup.
Everyone, I am here again with amazing another surprise for all of you. Today we will teach you a one stylish draping of sari, and I am with Neena Bhatnagar ma'am at Herbal Beauty World. She will teach us how to drape this beautiful Georgette sari. And I want to tell you one thing, जब भी हम कोई अलग से styling करते हैं, so we have to take a sari without any fall, because हमें styling में fall नहीं show करना होता है. And hope you will like my vlog today. So this is my whole look of the day, and thank you so much Neena aunty for this amazing draping style, and I hope you will love this styling and you must try this style at home. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. Keep watching.